Hi, welcome back again, guys. So today in our vlog, we have a very special topic. So today we're going to cover which car is GCC and which one is non-GCC. How do we find out is this car GCC or non-GCC? Few steps to be followed. To check GCC or non-GCC, let's open the door. Next to frame, you'll find out this barcode. This barcode will tell you the manufacturing and it will be written in all English. If it's all English, that means the car is not GCC, and it will tell you the birth year of the car as well. Okay, so now we got a GCC car, which is actually Chinese, but it's a GCC spec vehicle. How to detect this, if this car is GCC or not? Let's find out. Let's open the door first. Here on the left side of the frame, you'll find out some of the information about the car, and it must be in Arabic. If it's in Arabic, that says the car is GCC, Gulf specification. Okay, so why GCC and non-GCC cars are different? So basically GCC cars are made specially for Gulf region. So in Gulf region, the cars are specifically made for the AC temperature because the heat in GCC is higher. But in American or Canadian car, there are more options of heat. That's the reason the cars are differently made according to the region and the specification. So if you say in American car, you'll find out heated seats. In GCC cars, you'll find cooling seats. So GCC cars have a lot of things different. That's why people prefer buying GCC cars in GCC and American cars in America. And the major thing about GCC and American cars is the price. So you will find American cars 30,000 to 20,000 cheaper than GCC cars. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.